Every successful Matterport experience starts with one simple question. What information does your visitor need, and how can they access it instantly? In this example, we're showcasing the Canvas by Sansiri in Phuket, Thailand. Besides walking through the property, visitors can access everything they need directly inside the virtual tour. With a single click on the info menu, all relevant project information becomes available. General details such as the year of construction, built-up area, developer information, and property specifications are presented alongside detailed information about amenities, parking facilities, accessibility features, and much more. Everything is organized, easy to find, and available without ever leaving the experience. Now let's jump into the Xperio3D editor and see how simple it is to build a Matterport tour like this. First, create a new experience and select the industry type Real Estate. By choosing the industry, Xperio3D automatically prepares the editor with all the tools and content modules designed specifically for real estate projects. This project consists of multiple Matterport tours, all connected through our multi-link feature. Create navigation categories such as amenities, condominiums, show units, or facilities, making it easy for visitors to move between different areas of the development. Below, we've already prepared several property assets that will be connected to the experience. Let's add one together. Enter a name, for example, Penthouse PH1. Paste the Matterport space, ID, add the basic information, upload images if required, and click Save. The asset is now ready to become part of your virtual experience. Next, open the Property tab. Because we selected the real estate industry, you'll notice an additional section called Property Details. This powerful content management system has been designed specifically for professional real estate presentations. Start by selecting the country where the property is located. Xperio3D automatically adapts the editor to local standards, displaying regional units such as RAI, square feet or meters for land size, and the local currency, in this case, Thai baht. Now complete the remaining property information. Add project specifications, available amenities, data for sustainability, facilities, parking information, and accessibility features. You can also manage every available unit within the project. Whether a property is available for sale or rent, each unit can contain its own pricing, specifications, images, and additional information. Add also unique infos of the unit. Finally, assign the corresponding Matterport virtual tour to each individual unit. This creates a seamless connection between your content and the interactive 3D experience, allowing visitors to explore exactly the property they're interested in. With Xperio3D, creating professional real estate experiences becomes structured, intuitive, and incredibly powerful. You're no longer just publishing virtual tours. You're building a complete digital property platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has given you valuable insights into how Xperio3D transforms Matterport virtual tours into intelligent, interactive experiences. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tutorials, feature releases, customer showcases, and best practices. Every week, we'll share new ideas and real-world examples to help you create virtual experiences that engage visitors and drive results. If you'd like to learn more about Xperio3D, schedule a personalized demo, or discuss your next project, our team is always happy to help. Visit Xperio3D.com or contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, transform your Matterport tours into immersive business experiences. Xperio3D, from tour to experience.